Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is another black owned business, and it's my girl, it's my friend Kynisha. So I decided to do this video because I wanted to support my friend. I wanted to support my Libra twin. She has her own black owned business, you guys, and it's my favorite, it's my love, it's food. Who doesn't love food? Who doesn't love eating? Because I know I do. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos with me. I don't have my background today, so hopefully y'all can still see me, but this is exclusively for her. So shout out to Kynisha. I love you so much. Keep going, keep doing your thing, keep just making your food, doing what you love to do. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. And I think she's just an amazing person, amazing human being. So I just felt the need to just do this video because I love her so much. So shout out to you, Kynisha. Hopefully y'all can see me. I really pray y'all can see me because I really want y'all to get, you know, really acquainted with this black owned business. So like I said, she cooks. So I'm gonna go to her page, and I will also put some pictures on the screen so y'all can see what she cooks exactly. But all the food is good. She has a YouTube channel as well too. I will link that in the description box if y'all want to go check it out. But if y'all like Southern cuisine, if y'all from New Orleans and y'all like New Orleans food, she can cook that for y'all if y'all want. She also has a wide range of things, and I also want to tell y'all her plates are very, very cheap. I think the most you can pay, the most you will pay, is $25, which is not bad for a plate, and you get a lot of food in the plate. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit of a backstory of how I came about it and how just give you my, I guess, my version of how it became, I guess. So Kynisha, I work with Kynisha at my job. And she just brought food one day, and I was like, what is that? It looks very, very interesting. And I didn't know she bought it. I didn't know what it was. So she said she cooked it, and I was like, wow, you cooked that? It really looks really good. So I went ahead and tried it. I tried it with my friend. I don't know if y'all don't know any of these people, but I tried it with one of my friends, Alicia. And it was really, really good. It was stuffed bell pepper, and it had a lot of seasoning, and it was just so good. So Kynisha, that was a good plate. Like I can just taste it right now. It was really, really good. Put some of the pictures on this screen so y'all can see it. So yeah, but her black owned business is niche Southern cuisine. So she's worked so hard for this, y'all. Like, shoot, I'm saying if y'all like food, y'all will not be disappointed with anything she has. You will love everything. Very, very tasty. So I will leave her Instagram on the screen. I'll put it right here in the middle right here so y'all can see it. But go ahead and check her out, show her some love, and order a plate. The most you would pay, like I said, is $25. Not bad. And that's the most you could pay, as I said. So you can pay $15, you can pay $10, whatever the case may be. It just depends on what the plate is. So I wrote a couple of stuff down just to state, because I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want to miss anything. So she has a YouTube channel, so go check that out. Like I said, I will leave it in the screen, on the screen, so y'all can see it. Like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, subscribe, you guys. If you live in Atlanta, you can also order from her too as well. I think she can take DM orders, if I'm not mistaken, and y'all can pick it up or make arrangements with her and to get your plate, because it's really, really good. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Period. But the most you will pay is $25. The most popular item that I have tried before, specifically like by myself, is the stuffed bell peppers, like I was telling y'all before, the dirty rice, and she has jambalaya as well too. She will have specials on her Instagram, so make sure you keep up with her Instagram. Maybe turn on your post notifications and see what she has for her business, and see what she's cooking up, because she cooks, you know, very frequently if she doesn't have other stuff to do. So yeah, so she will have that, specials and stuff. Like I said, I'll put pictures on the screen, but that's all the stuff that I wrote down for her. But please, y'all, take a look at her Instagram. Like I said, I'll link it, and take it and look at it and see what you like. her YouTube channel also has a whole bunch of stuff on there too as well, so take a look at that, y'all. But that is it. I wanted to get this video out because I want to support my girl, and she supports us and supports me in anything I do. So well, shoot, I can do whatever she wants me to do, honestly, at this point. Because I love her so much and she's so genuine and so sweet. So like I'm saying, subscribe, like, comment to her page, her YouTube page. I love y'all so much. Thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you guys for subscribing to me as well too, and I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you, Niche.